Mike Tyson, don't take nothing personal I'm about to say. We is not ops. Because you would knock me the fuck out. But when I wake up, you would have got shot. I'm talking sawed off, fresh out the chop shop. To clear the static big round in front of Mike. It ain't a pop block. You want it rock? You got the right man. I don't like fam. Fuck Tyson, Jordan, and Jackson. I ain't a Mike fan. Headshot. Headshot if you trying to fight fam. Your niggas gonna have to help you up and adjust how Mike stink. I'm the type man that'll ruin your wedding. Soon as he say I do, I ring on him using a Wesson. Catch him and his bitch at a restaurant, beautiful setting. Then I'ma fuck Mike up in that booth. It's a studio session.
Hey, look what I did.